Hello guys, Moneymaker001 here. And this video I'm going to show you a really interesting and unique method to make some great money online. Not all the affiliate gurus are going to tell you about this, but this thing is really something which can really make you a ton of money because this is something unique and not everyone is doing this stuff, and that's the reason why you have a great big chance to make a lot of money just by doing this very simple stuff. So let's get started into the video. Let me show you what is that which you can do to make some ton of money online in 2020. You can be really big, okay, you can go really big if you are going to work on this strategy, and you can grow your channel up to millions. Okay, so this is something on YouTube, and you just have to create very simple content. Not, you just don't have to create the content yourself. You can hire someone to create content for you, but still you can make a ton of money out of it. Okay, this is not going to be everything what you have thought, like 5 minute drafts and all this stuff. This is not something like that. This is something different. This is something unique. You don't need to write your content yourself, but the only thing which is required is your voiceover. Yeah, you need to give a voiceover in this type of YouTube channel, or you can hire someone to give a voiceover for you, but you don't need to do the scripting yourself. It's really simple and really easy. All you need to do is read something and then explain that thing. Okay, so now let's get started into the video. Let me show you that YouTube channel which does this thing and makes a ton of money out of it, and I'm also gonna show you how you can make content just like that YouTube channel and make money out of that. Okay, so let's get started into the video. Let me show you all the steps which you need to do to start this type of YouTube channel and make a ton of money out of it. Okay, so now let's get started into the video. First, let me show you what is that YouTube channel and how much money that YouTube channel is making. So this YouTube channel is known as Vatividya, okay, and it's making almost from 1.4k to 23,000 US dollars every single month, and it is getting almost 6 million views every single month. Okay, that's really insane. And you can see that it is getting almost 1 lakh views every single day, and that's really awesome because this channel is really making a ton of money, and it has just uploaded 261 videos. That's not too many videos. Okay, so that's not too much hard work. Okay, 261 videos are really not a big deal. Okay, if we consider YouTubers who have made thousands of videos but still they haven't grown their YouTube channel. Okay, so this is really great. Now, what is the thing they are capitalizing on? Trends. Okay, what type of trends and how they are capitalizing on these trends is what I'm going to explain to you. I'm going to show you what type of content they are making. Okay, so let's go to this YouTube channel. This is Vatividya. Okay, okay, so we came to this YouTube channel. Let me show you what this channel does and what type of content it makes. Okay, so
there's technically 70.
so you can see what type of content this YouTube channel makes is really very simple. Okay, so what this channel does is that it explains the stories of video games. Okay, so you can see there are a lot many video games which are launching every single day, and what this channel does is that it explains the stories of those particular video games. For example, any of the game, you can see that beginner's guide game story. Okay, as well as they also give you some of the beginner guide as well as some gaming tips on this YouTube channel. Okay, so you can see so they are explaining the stories of particular games. For example, this game, they are explaining the story of that particular game. Okay, for example, you can explain the story of almost any of the game. You can see Dark Soul 3 story, the Grand Betrayal, all this stuff. They are just explaining the stories of the video games which are about to be launched or are launched or are trending or the people are playing those games. They are just explaining the stories of those particular games, and this game really all these games are really very famous, and that's the reason why all these games have got its own fan following, and that's the reason why you can see that all these videos are getting a ton of views and millions of views. Okay, almost all the videos of this channel are getting 500,000 views. You can see that because all these games are really very popular, and there are so many people who are interested in hearing the stories of these games because they don't have the time to play the entire game themselves. Or still there can you can also present your some fan theories about those game stories, and that's what the content is. They are just using some clips of those games, and they are just narrating the story, okay, through a voiceover. That's really easy, anyone can do it. All you do need is you can just have one friend of yours to play a particular game. Ask him that he could provide you some of the clips. All you need to do is use those clips, okay, use those clips and then place it into your YouTube video, and all you need to do is provide a voiceover on that explaining the entire story of the game. Now many of the people may be asking me that where can you find the game stories. So the game stories can be found on the world's biggest and the best website to find anything. Okay, that's Wikipedia. So you can find the stories of almost every single game on Wikipedia. You can find its plot, you can find its summary, and all that stuff can be found on Wikipedia. So all you need to do is read the entire story of that particular game, and then you can just use all the, you can explain that entire story. You can see this is the game Witch Blair, and you can see this is the entire story of Witch Blair. All you need to do is just write the story into your own words, just replace some of the sentences, and all you need to do is take a mic, record yourself reading this or narrating this and explaining the story. That's really simple and really easy, and then you can start uploading those videos on your YouTube channel. And most of the people are very much interested in this game stories, and that's the reason why these videos get a ton of views, and you can also make a ton of money doing this very simple easy stuff not everyone is able to do. And there is very less competition about this type of YouTube channels, so you are having a great opportunity to make a ton of money online doing this very simple stuff. And not affiliate gurus are gonna tell you they know about this stuff. Many of the affiliate gurus are knowing about this type of YouTube channels, as well as there are some affiliate gurus who are running this type of YouTube channels, but they will never show you this type of things because these are the money making machines which they are having, and they are making money through all this type of stuff. So you can also be a part of this. You can start this type of YouTube channel, you can start this type of YouTube channel in any language, and you can start making money. Okay, so if there is a lot there may be some channels in the English language, but if you are a bilingual, if you know multiple languages, then you can create this type of content in many different languages, and you can make your YouTube videos in different languages and target different audiences of the world, and then you can just make a ton of money with this. That's something which is really awesome and which has blown away my mind, because a lot of people are not doing this, and everyone knows that gaming will forever remain in trend. Okay, the biggest channel on YouTube is a gaming YouTube channel. Okay, so that's the reason why I'm telling you that you should jump on this niche, and you can really grow really fast with this type of very simple YouTube channel making very simple content, and you can generate a ton of money. Okay, most of the people will ask that what video editor should I use. So I use this video editor, which is OpenShot video editor, which you can also use. Okay, so it is here over here, my cursor is over here, it is OpenShot video editor. Just go to openshot.org and you can download this absolutely free video editor. All you need to do is have some clips, combine those clips, and you just have to provide in voiceover. You can learn all the tutorials about OpenShot on YouTube, and you can make this type of very simple videos and start generating a ton of money with this type of very simple videos in 2020 of YouTube. And everyone, all of you knows that YouTube is a very big marketplace, and it's a gold mine for online marketers and online money makers. Okay, so this can be a big opportunity for you. You can grow your channel up to millions with this type of YouTube channel. All you need to do is have some consistency, make some videos, to put in some effort, and you are going to reap the fruits afterward. This is going to be really interesting, and you are going to take action on the strategy. Okay, for those who are going to take action on this unique strategy, do comment down below in the comment section that I'm gonna take action on this strategy. Not the affiliate gurus will be revealing this to you. I'm revealing this to you absolutely for free without selling any of the courses to you. Then why should you not take action on this strategy? That's something which you need to ask yourself. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching. And there was Instagram, that is our Instagram page, link is there in the description. You can follow over there and message me over there if you have any queries regarding this, how to make money online and all that stuff. I will definitely reply to your question. Okay, we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay happy, stay subscribed, and thanks for watching.